Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. For all those of you who are new, I'm Anita and I do videos on our everyday life in Germany. So today I thought we could discuss something which is very important. That is how to start a new life in another country, another city or wherever. So first of all, I need to tell you all that to start a new life, you don't need to be somebody else. You don't have to reinvent yourself. You can be yourself and you can absolutely start a new life somewhere else. However, there is a few things you need to keep in mind. First of all, it is you who's new and you're the one who's starting a new life in a new culture, in a new country, new city, or whatever the case may be. So if you make the first move, it would be like helpful for you only. So I'll tell you how we started, what I have done, or rather what we have done. First of all, I would recommend you all to strongly join the Facebook group. For example, I live in a place called Schwalbach, and Frankfurt is 10 kilometers away. So I have joined a Facebook group called Indians in Frankfurt. So by this, I have got to know so many Indians. And I just wrote a very simple message. Hi guys, I'm Anita, and I moved from Mumbai to Frankfurt, Schwalbach in particular, about 10 months, 8 months ago. And I live in Schwalbach. Anybody living in Schwalbach, let me know. And believe me, there are so many people living in Schwalbach, so many Indians. I had no idea there were so many Indians living in Schwalbach. So that is something which is really, really effective. And the next thing you can do is you can join the Schwalbach Frankfurt group, Schwalbach Facebook group. That is if you're living in Schwalbach. That way you'll not only meet Indians, but you will meet Germans and other nationalities. And this makes it very, very easy and you get to know people, and it really, really makes a huge difference. So by joining the Indians in Frankfurt group and by disclosing my location of Schwalbach, now I've joined a WhatsApp group of people living in Schwalbach. And believe me, there are so many people living in the opposite building, in the neighboring building, and I had absolutely no idea. So one of my biggest regrets is I should have done this months ago. However, it's okay. I'm glad that I took this step and I've done it. And now I know so many people. I chit chat with them regularly, and it makes a huge, huge difference. And once this lockdown is over, I would strongly recommend you all guys to, maybe join a meetup. Meetup is where you go for a walk. It's online. You book your meetup. You go for a walk, and at the end you have a beer or a drink or whatever, and you meet new people from various nationalities, and that also makes a huge difference. I know somebody who moved to Australia, and he didn't know anybody, and he went for like several meetups every weekend, and now he has like a good set of friends, and he's like sorted out there. So my request or recommendation to you all guys is, please join your city Facebook group, and then join the Facebook group of your area. So, city Facebook group of your nationality will basically help you to find people of your own nationality, example Indians. And your area, you will get people of various nationalities living in your area. You'll also get updates on your area, so you get to know what's happening in your area. You'll get to know who are the people in your area, and it makes a huge, huge difference. So I hope you like today's video, and I hope you find this useful. And until probably next week, or whenever I get something really nice to let you all know, I will definitely make another video. Until then, take care, and if you like my content, obviously, then you need to subscribe. But until then, bye bye, take care.